Hi guys, long time no see. I missed you guys. It's been probably like 2-3 weeks since I last uploaded. And apologies, you know, life gets in the way. Here for the title down below. I seen the PROFUSION at Target the other day and was kind of intrigued because A, they were super inexpensive, and B, I had a cartwheel for 30% off of that. If you want to see how I got this look and what I think about this brand, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's just jump right into this video. So I already did my eyebrows and my foundation, and I also primed my lids just to save some time. So I was at Target the other day and I was going through the makeup aisle and I seen on the end cap PROFUSION. So I seen Juicy Jazz do a review on this, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this. I was really curious, and especially for the price. So originally I think the most expensive thing that I bought was $10, but I had a 30% off on Cartwheel, so it came out to like $7, and then everything else was about $4 or $5. So I thought that was really inexpensive, especially since they are palettes. They're not just like a single like shadow or something like that. So yeah, so the items that I got, I'll start with the most expensive. One was this, like, it's a Beauty Superstar 23-piece complete set. It's holographic, and this one was $10. I mean, the packaging is okay. It's bulky, which I don't like, but I mean, for $10, can't really beat it. Also, these pans are ginormous. Sorry, you guys can see my ring light, but these pans are ginormous, and I like that it comes with a blush, a highlighter, I think this is another highlighter, and 2 contour shades, a brush set, a lip topper, which I probably won't use, and I think like a pencil liner, and I probably won't use that as well, but I for sure will use these shades, and then I'll test out these for you guys as well. So the next thing is another eyeshadow palette. So this one is like what I really gravitate towards is the neutral colors. So it's the PROFUSION Matte, and I believe it comes with 10 shades, and these pans as well are like huge compared to other eyeshadow palettes. Let me open it up for you guys. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and it comes with like the little plastic thing that I haven't taken off yet, but I'll probably use a mixture of those two today. Then moving on to face. So when I was at Target, they did have a lip combo set, but there wasn't any that complement my skin complexion, so I didn't pick them up, and I couldn't find it at the other Target that I go to as well. So I was like, you know what, it's okay. But they do offer lip kits for, I want to say, $5 as well. I think they come with like a peach, a red, a nude. I was looking for more towards like the nude or like a purple color, but they didn't have them. And then they also have a brow, like a powder brow set as well, but I typically don't use brow powder, so I didn't pick that up because it wasn't going to be beneficial for me. However, if you want to see the brow like stuff, or if I find the lip collection stuff too, let me know. I don't mind picking it up and trying it for you guys, but just let me know. So moving on to the rest of the face, I did pick up this blush palette, and I thought this was so pretty. These two colors, actually these 3 colors right here, are like my go-to type of colors. I'm not really a huge fan of blush. However, if it's a little bit of pink or really natural, I'll wear it. So yeah, and like I said, these pans are huge, and especially for the price, like, you get a lot of product for your money pretty much. And then the last thing that I picked up was this luminizer highlighter. It comes with five highlighters, and here reminds me of Trophy Wife or Jeffree Star's highlighter, the Gold Collection or something along those lines. However, I do have the Trophy Wife, so I may compare them. Don't know yet, but if not, I'll probably go for this color right here. I love gold highlights. I believe for this palette right here, yeah, you can take out the packaging, which is really nice because this is really bulky. So I wonder if I think you can take out the pans as well on this, so I may just do that because I have an empty Z palette in my drawer, so I may just put the pans in there if they come out, so I guess we'll see. Oh, so I thought, see, I hate when brands put the names on the plastic packaging because I never keep them. I just throw them away. I really thought it was on here, so most definitely I think they do come out. Oh yeah. Oh, oops. It's really cheap metal, like super cheap. Oh, I kind of like cracked it, so if you do take out the pan, I just kind of patted it down. Be careful because the shadows do crack, but you can take them out, so that's good to know. So I'll probably put these bad boys in my little Z palette. What I like about this, I'm trying to not get you guys with the glare, but the names are on the palette, it's not on the packaging, which, like I said, it's a huge thing for me, just because if I'm doing a tutorial or something, I don't want to be like, take this deep brown color and put it in your crease. Like, I want to give you guys the name, so that's a big plus for me. So I'm going to go ahead and take Discreet right here and set our lids. So a lot of fallout, but for a palette that's only $5, I'm not going to trip over too much. However, if it was like a $42 palette, I'll be kind of upset, just because you pay so much money for a product to give you that much fallout. But I mean, if it's $5, I'm not going to trip over it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this color from that big palette, and I'm going to use their crease blending brush from that palette as well, and put it as my transition shade. Oh wow, this is super pigmented, and it's blending out really nicely as well. Alright, so to deepen the crease a little bit more, we're going to go ahead and take this color right here. Oh, this one doesn't have a lot of fallout to it, so it may just be some shadows that have a lot of fallout. And again, super pigmented. So we're going to go ahead back with the other palette and take Zing, which is this, like, I don't know, it has somewhat of a purple undertone, but it's a really light brown with a purple undertone. And I'm just going to put that on my outer corner and then bring it up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and use this color right here. Ooh, this is pigmented. Okay. I was not expecting that. Well, kind of, but not this pigmented. I'm going to take this really pretty, like, shimmer color right here and put that as kind of like a halo effect. So I'm going to try it first dry and then see if it needs pigment, or if I need to wet my brush. Oh, no, I definitely don't need to wet my brush. That is mad pretty. It's a nice little shimmer. I feel like if you want to wet your brush to make it more intense, you can, but how it is now, it's like, it's pretty. And then we're just going to put it on our crease as well, and I don't have the right brush for my highlight bone, but I'm just going to take the same brush that I just used for that little halo. See, this will be a really pretty highlight as well. And I didn't wet my brush, but it's like a nice little subtle pop. So now we're going to go ahead and take the little contour section of the big bulky set thingy. So it comes with 2 different highlighters. Well, really 3, yeah, no. So it comes with a blush, it has a little bit of shimmer, and then it comes with 2 different highlighters, a darker golden color and then like a lighter one. And then it comes with 2 bronzers, one more on the ashier side and one more on the like deeper side. So I like to sculpt my face with more of the ashier one and then bronze up with more of a deeper one. We're gonna do. So we'll take that ashy one. Ugh. I feel like this is gonna be chalky, so we'll see. Green on camera. Oh, that is super pigmented. Okay, wasn't expecting that. So definitely go light-handed on. So definitely go light-handed on your bronzers as well. Cool. Okay. Wow. Wowzers. Okay. So we're definitely going to blend that out. And I'm just taking my... Oh, I didn't say the names of my brushes. The majority of them are either e.l.f., Coastal Scents, or Luxie. So this one is... It blends pretty nicely too. I thought it was going to be super chalky, but it wasn't. And it's super pigmented. So I'm naturally like heavy-handed, so I have to remind myself to kind of start light. So definitely for the bronzers as well, to pat it lightly and then you can build it up, because if you're heavy-handed like me, you'll get a ton of product. And yeah, but other than that, it blended really nicely. The same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the darker color and kind of contour the rest of my face. Oh geez. So same with this palette, the names are on the palette. So I'm these two. So this color right here is Lush. It's a matte one, and then it actually says how to apply on the back of the palette. So it says, step 1, lightly apply the blush shade to the apples of the cheek and blend along the cheekbones. And then secondly, for a soft sheen, choose a shade with a shimmer finish and lightly dust over the same area. So I'm going to go ahead and take this matte color right here in the color Lush, and then go over it with the color Playful. Oh, and this is a Lancome brush. I got this with Sephora's like point system. Super pretty. Like I said, I'm not really a blush person, so I like it to be a little bit more natural. So this might be like my new favorite. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take Playful and just kind of go over that. Oh yeah, I can see a little... Ooh, look at that little glow. On to the highlight portion. I'm actually going to take this color right here called Visionary. And I was going to use in Stellar, but I may do a different video comparing the two. So regardless of the highlighter, I always wet my brush. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe M510 brush, M510 brush, and take the color Visionary, which is the first color in the palette. Wow. That's, like, I'm really impressed with this brand. Like, do you guys see that glow? That's so pretty. That's super pretty. I'm really impressed, like, by this brand. I'm gonna do things a little bit backwards. So I'm finished with my face, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up the eye. So I'm gonna go back with the matte palette right here and take the color Proud and just kind of smoke out the bottom eye. Alright, so going back with that palette, we're taking this like plummy color right here called Devious and tight lining our waterline. And take that shimmer shade that we use in our like little halo slash eyebrow and just put it in our inner tear duct. Oh, I should try it wet. Like, oh yeah, that's really that's a lot more intense than the eyebrow or the halo. We're gonna get up and personal. So I just threw on a lip and set my face with some setting spray. So that pretty much completes this look. Overall, I was super impressed with the items that I got from this collection. They were so pigmented. They blended really well and they weren't chalky for the most part. The bronzers were just a tad chalky, but they still blended out really nicely. And then the cons to this is the fallout, but to me, because of the price, it wasn't a big deal. I just recommend not putting on foundation or any type of base while doing your eyes. So I would say do your eyes first and then throw on your face if you're using that palette so you don't get the fallout. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!